Hello students, this is the fifth part of our second semester's first one-act play, Riders to the Sea, which is written by J.M. Singh. So open your page number 120. On this page number, second line from the last. Now listen carefully. Moria, it's a hard thing. They will be saying below if the body is washed off and there's no man in it to make the coffee. And I, after giving a big price for the finest white boards you would find in Canberra, she looks around at the board. So Moria said to Bartley that it is very hard that people are talking about the dead body that is washed out, but there is not any coffin. Coffin, it means a rectangular piece of wood made for the dead body, and after that the Christian people puts that dead body into that rectangular piece of made by wood. And she said that there is a big price for the finest whiteboard he had given, which he had find from the comment. Bartley after that says that how would it be washed up, and if after looking each day for 9 days and a strong wind blown a while back from the western side. So Bartley asking question to his mother that how would it be washed up? It is not possible that it would washed up, and we after looking each day for 9 days, and from last 9 days we are looking each day for him, and a strong wind blown a while back from the west and south, and the strong wind was coming from the western and southern side, and that is very strong that may be possible that with the strong wind the dead body went away from there. Moria, if it isn't found itself, that wind is raising the sea, and there was a startup against the moon and it raising in the night. So Moria says to Bartley that if it that boat, coffin boat, didn't find out, so the sea level, water level of sea is rising up, and this time it will rising up at the night, because there is the attraction of moon. Moon in the full form or full size. If it was 100 horses or 1,000 horses you had itself, what is the price of the 1,000 horses? Again a sun where there is one sun only. So if there are 100 horses or 1,000 horses, that is not valuable against one sun. So anybody is ready to lose 100 horses or 1,000 horses, but that person is not ready to lose his only one son. So that one son is very valuable for anyone. Bartley working on the halter. Halter, in the last grade I have told you meaning of that word. Halter, it is a rope which used for leading horses. To Kathleen. Now Bartley says to Kathleen, let you go down each day and see the sheep aren't jumping in or on the ray. Ray, it means ray, a bit like cereal plants. Let you go down each day and see the sheep aren't jumping in on the ray. So here Bartley is telling to Kathleen that every day go down and see if that sheep is jumping on the ray. Ray, it is the cereal like wheat like a cereal plant. And if the jobber it means a person, a middleman, who buys from the farmers and sells it in wholesale market. The jobber comes, you can sell the pig with the black feet if there is good price going. And after that Bartley says that any jobber comes there to buy our pig which is having black feet. Normally in the foreign country there are white pig, and if those white pig having black feet, so that pig is very valuable in that area. So if any jobber, any person comes there to buy that pig and he is offering good price, so sell that pig to him. Moria, how would the like of her get a good price for a pig? Then Moria asks that how can that pig get a good price? Bartley to Kathleen. If the west wind hold with the last bite of the moon, let you and Nora get a weed. Weed it means unwanted, wild grass. If the west wind holds with the last bite of the moon, let you and Nora get a feed enough for another cock for the calf. Cock for the calf. It means the dried seaweed used as fertilizer. Nora gets the feeds enough for another cock for calf. So Bartley is telling to Kathleen and Nora that if there is the moon, so moon will catch the seawater and the seaweed, the grass in the sea, that will be open. If the seawater goes back, so the sea grass, seaweed will be seen, and you go there and take all the seaweed, and that is very valuable for us because we can make fertilizer from that and make and sell that into the market and buy money. It's hard said, we shall be from this day with no one in it but one man to work. So in our family there are no many people, only one person who is working and all people are only rested. Moria. It's hard said, we shall be surely the day you are drowned with the rest. With what way will I live and the girl with me and I an old woman looking for the grave. So Moria says that if you go into the sea and drown into the sea water, so what can we do? I am an old woman, I cannot handle these two girls, I cannot handle this family. So before going down into the sea water, before going to die into the sea water, make a grave ready for me, make a patch into the ground ready for me, I will die into that and I will finish there, I will sleep there, I will rest there after your death. Bartley lay down the halter, takes off his old coat and puts on the newer one from the flannel. Flannel it means loosely woven cloth of wool. So finally Bartley became very angry and he takes his old coat, and that old coat was having flannel, it means newly woolen added there, and he owned that and goes out. Bartley to Nora. Is she coming to the pier? Pier, it means a structure built into the sea. So after this incident, Bartley said to Nora that is she coming to the pier? It means that there is a structure near the sea coast. There ships comes and stops, and those ships after stopping there upload and unload the goods there. That is called the pier. So Bartley asked to Nora that she is coming with him to the pier to collect the seaweed for making fertilizer. And in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.